And hello everyone. Good night. How are you all? It's MC Hellspawn here once again. FortressCraft Evolved, patch 22 world. How's everyone doing? I'm doing all right. Hope everyone's doing well. Yep, here we are. Like I said, FortressCraft, patch 22 world. Um, been busy, but not really sure I got a lot done. If that makes sense. Really weird. I got a lot of little things done, a lot of prep work, but I wanted to save most of the big work for when we're together. So I got a few projects, little things done, like for instance, in order to get ready for one of the projects, I had to get rid of the stairway. So I figured instead of replacing it with another stairway, why don't we use these things and see how they go? And for one, they go down rather slow. But what I did find was a rather decent little trick of you can grapple yourself down faster. So I like that. Works pretty good. And then going up, I made just a little, um, you know, cubby here so I can step in pretty easily and then hold the jump button and away I go. And then step out and right off to the other side and I can go up there. It would have been nice to make a straight line up, but that would have put me right into the bottom of the CPH. So that doesn't work. Um, but yep. So that's one little project. And then one of the other that button, that one. And one of the other projects you guys might have seen when I was down here was, yep, I started coloring some pathways. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with the blue yet, but it's bold, it's bright, it stands out. It definitely expresses what I consider a pathway, a walking path. Um, also going to redesign some things a little bit because what I'm trying to do is keep the track either in the middle line of the walking path or right on the outsides of it. So as you can see over here, not in the middle line of the walking path. So I know that's small and stupid and it'd be really dumb to put all this work into just moving it over one row, but it's my damn base and I'm probably going to do it. So been done a lot of work tweaking the freight cart system, trying to get it to work a little bit more efficiently. I added one more station over here, just because I started seeing them get a little bit backed up. And you see, they still seem to prefer these two, but every once in a while I do see carts go into this one, so it's not like it's broke. Now, doesn't look like it is. And then I completed switching this over. This was quite an undertaking. Especially since I got about halfway down here, or about partway down here, and realized that it really wasn't going to line up at the end. And so in order to make it line up in the end, make it more symmetrical and looking better, kind of destroyed everything that was here and made this middle one a 3 wide. It just looks better. And I like it. But to be honest, once the whole thing is all set up, yeah, I really like the whole thing. It's great. Pretty cool. Very excited. Down here we have all the PCBs. Again, we're keeping 1,000 of every item. So pretty much all the items have been backstocked. What do I got? Steel here. That's 6. Steel do I have? Not much. 100. I'm gonna hold on to that. So in some cases, I fed this from my own inventory just to dump out some of what I have. In the 3 wide, I put something that we're going to use a lot of. Iron gears seems to be one thing. We're going to build another one of these over in the next row. I'll show you shortly. But I'll do another 3 wide there and I'll move something else into it. And I think it's going to be lightweight machine housings. A lot of those too. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Gold foils still backing up. It's taking forever. Still one thing that's probably still being worked on, I think. Or one, almost. Come on. Copper wire's fine. 1,000. Yeah, see, almost everything is at 1,000. Except, of course, the gears, which I think I set to what, 2,400? 2,700? What are we at? 2,700. Perfect. So, almost everything is backed up. Oh, see, What's going on here? Yeah, and then see this happens every once in a while. What are you doing, stupid? Yeah, see, I still think the carts have a little bit of a bug. Oh, there you go. Get going, buddy. Come on. Move it. Let the others in. Eventually, these guys would have actually rerouted to the other one. I have seen that happen. But sometimes that guy does get stuck there until I shoot him. Because you can actually shoot the carts. I don't know if I told you that last time. I think I did. Sorry. So, yep, we did that. And then we started working towards, because this does not fit anywhere near as many individual items as the big mass storage did. It is working better, I will admit that. It is working better. But it doesn't fit anywhere near as many individual items. I do still have one open. Not sure what I'm going to put in that. I keep trying to change the stack size. See, I have to put the alloyed upgrade modules. I'm probably going to end up putting recombined organic matter into that because I'm going to have to start bringing that down. We've already got all of these items. The gears, the steel, the plastic. The clocks are in the raw one. I don't believe we have the blocks in yet. We don't have the upgrade modules in yet. But we do have, I believe, all the PCBs, right? Plastic, PCB, yeah, PCB, PCB. Yeah, so we have all the PCBs. So we need upgrade modules and the blocks, and I'd like to keep those together. So, I mean, that's already more than the one that we have. I looked around. I don't really have any one individual item except for the recombined organic matter that we're bringing up from downstairs. So I do think as the system gets extended up over to that direction, I will grab the recombined organic matter down here and bring it into probably this guy right here, which I could feed from my own inventory right now. I guess that's not the worst idea. Yeah, why don't we do that real quick? Okay, so it's going to be on the craft supply network in the storage. Find. There we go. Okay, hard to see. And then we're going to set it to item find matter. Set it to 1,000. Done. Not gonna bother adding carts at this time. Hope I remember when I have to do that. Let's see. Okay, do the same thing over here. Put this guy on the demand network. He's got his name. Freight to the recombined. Set this to 100 just to make sure that there's a little in there. Recombined. Organic to PPLY. Alright. And that we will put some carts on this just so this is a way we can actually start using it. Which is kind of the plan at some point. Things that we want to do today. Hopefully. Well, I'm not sure if we'll end up using this part or not, but we'll see. We will see. So, to feed this, what we can do is we can place this here because the carts will just drive through it, so it's actually okay. Probably not the coolest, not the cleanest, but it works for now just to load it. Oh, and the carts are getting backed up. Yeah, hurry up, guys. Come on. Out of each other's way. Stay friendly. Okay. And so then let's oh, actually that's not this there. That. That's 900, right? So there. And so that will feed in, and this guy will feed it, fill up the system, and that's kind of how I filled up a lot of these. As I was taking down the old mass storage system, my inventory did fill up with a lot of stuff. So I wanted to trim down the numbers some. Threat doing? Okay, we're down. Oh, we're getting up, but we're still in the 5,000s, which is what I can handle. To help keep threat down, I did power up Spiderbot, and I did also give him his blaster cannon thing. So yeah, the cannon. So he is now pretty powerful, able to hold off massive attacks almost on his own. And he's hiding somewhere. Great. Always not where I want him. Wonder if he's stuck in the hole. Seen that happen. Fall down here. Imagine that would happen. Oh, there he is. Oh, so some stuff to just get by him. Oh yeah. I do also have the beacons on him. So he's picking up stuff, which is always the thing I never liked about Spiderbot, is that he's out here shooting things up, and all this stuff gets stuck out here. Then they added the spider beacons capability, the spider cores, and so I gave him a bunch of beacons, set up a bunch of spider cores, and as you can see, they're grabbing the stuff off of him. So very cool. So there, so he's still cleaning up. We're still gaining some stuff. Once I remembered that that existed, I figured it was time to power him up and help him keep our threat down, because he is, as far as I understand, relatively free energy when it comes to defense. And you have to give him the charged lithium coils, but he can handle those. It's not bad. I think it's probably worth it, although it does take a lot. Yeah, see, he's just taking them out, especially now that he's got his cannons. So he can pretty much take out an entire attack of heavies and all by himself, which is nice. Hopefully I'll get a relief, because what I did, one of the other things I did, guys, while you were away, was I made the missile imbuer, which is all well and good, except it uses 512 power, which means I'm making 512 power constantly to keep that thing going. So that's adding to threat. But then it's slow, and I cannot keep up. See? Conveyor's completely empty. If I go up there, I wonder, I mean, maybe it's starting to back up? I don't even think so. No, see, it doesn't look like it. So I am trying to keep threat down specifically. Okay, so we're finally getting this one to start backing up. So that means this one's full. That's good. How about on this side? Doing over here? Nope, not even. How are we doing? We have 23 free slots. So yeah, missile production is a problem, which brings me to my project that we're going to work on today. 98 free slots, so you've only got 2 missiles in you? Wow. Okay. Alright. You are full, finally. Yeah, okay. So I always knew this side would fill up faster. It's just kind of the hazard of the way it's set up. Maybe at some point I should split missile production into 2 sides. Maybe on top of the building? Wonder if I can make that work. Huh. An interesting thought. I might have to look at that and think of how that will work. Make a design for that. Split the missile production to the top of these two buildings. Fit it into that square area there so it doesn't interfere with all this. And then I can be shooting power around from the top of the main power building to power the missile production. That might work pretty well as a long-term solution. Because I was trying to figure out how I'm going to make this work long-term. I don't think I can fit the missile production in the building that I have. That it looks like I'm going to need. I do want to up the turret protection and extend it out further, but I need to wait before I can get off the coal to do that. Till I can get off the coal to do that. So my plan is once I get all the power going in this building, which is pretty close. Let's actually take a look in there as well. Now that we have the automated production for the turbine pieces, we have a massive load of turbines all set up. These 4 are actually fully hooked up and charging the battery. The setup is pretty standard, pretty straightforward. 2 turbines together. We have 1 hopper in the back getting fed from 1 line of conveyors with just some simple turntables, down sloping conveyor into that hopper feeding both turbines. And then down here you can see we have 2 laser, the power laser things there. Down below, sitting side by side. Each one has an organic lens in it. Those are tier 3 lasers, so that's 640 each with the organic lens, and that's way more than these things generate even at full RPMs. I believe it's 540 at this power cycle, at this power level. And then underneath this conveyor here, there's another logistics hopper that's on add only, taking the empties and pulling it out of here and bringing it back down to our main storage area. So that's that. I do have enough for 1 more setup, but what I want to do is start looking at eliminating how it's used here. So taking this power, and replacing it with this power. So how I do that, I actually probably should start from this end, get this going, maybe this set first, something like that. Or I guess really it looks like maybe this set is the most heavily used area. And I can choose to just let this power set drain. That's the teleporters, isn't it? Yeah, that's the teleporters. Gotta be. So what that's defenses, this probably isn't even getting used by much up here, right? Other than the teleporters. But what I'd like to do is power the defenses out of there. So maybe that will work. Let's see, can I... Just doing a little bit of on-screen planning here. Can I... Is there another... Okay. But I have heard, and I might try it, that multi-blocks seem to work okay as room walls, borders. So what if what we did was, instead of logistics grommet through the wall, we did another tier 4 battery right on top of this guy, which would actually stick it through the roof, and it would become the roof. See, that's when... Okay, so one of the other things is I wanted to make this one big battery. Maybe that's how we do this, is we make the top of this one massive big... Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So we'll start it on this one, and we'll just keep going all the way to the end. That's gonna look magnificent. I just need a ton of batteries. That's gonna be hard. Okay. All right. Oh no, 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 no. Don't. Yeah, there we go. Good job, guys. Good job. Go team. Good. Yeah, take them out. Come on, Spider Billet. What are you doing? Got one job here. Come on. Even my basic base defenses should be able to hold off a fight of 5,000. Oh, but now we're at 6,000. We've got bosses. See, and then the missiles are going to start firing, and I can't keep up with missile production right now the way it is. So that pretty much brings me to today's project. I'm pretty sure what we have to work on is fixing missile production. Okay, guys? Yeah? Right. You know there's another one right there that you could have gone to, right? You guys are all dumb. Why are you idling? Then why did you pick anything up? You're dumb too. Well, hopefully you get moving when everything gets out of your way. I don't know. There we go. Everything moving along. See, it usually ends up clearing itself up for the most part. Oh, you guys cleared out fast, huh? So that almost full. 888. Okay. On the CPH, okay. Left of this attack. Oh boy. Alright, well, we should be alright. I mean, the missiles, the imbued missiles are super powerful, so they're holding off the attack as long as I have some, and it does look like I have some, so we should be okay. I have to fix this problem. So, hey, what are you doing? A little bit of a lag spike. Okay. Alright, so first things first is I think what we need to do is set up a little temporary missile production. So it's probably just going to send some more basic missiles back into the system, which is going to cause them to fire a lot more. But that's okay for now, while we set the new system up. And so I guess this is, now that I think about it, just going to be a new temporary system. And I'm not going to keep it forever. I'm going to probably build, like I said, a new system on top of each of these buildings and extend the missiles out from there. But we do need something better, much faster than that, much faster that I can put that together. So we're going to build something bigger that can pump out missiles at least 3 or 4 times faster than what we're doing right now. And hopefully that'll be enough to keep up, so we can do some research and stuff while we're working. So, hopefully we can hold off some pretty hefty onslaughts. So, let's see. On to temporary. So what do we have here for machines, right? So we have to make, first thing is to make gold wire. Then we make copper pipe. Copper pipe comes from pipe extruder plant. Just that simple. Right? Okay. And that goes into the empty missile assembler. And then we get to the fueler, which is where the HEFC comes in. That, and that's that. And then we have the fueler. Yeah, okay, so that makes the basic missiles. That's probably what we need. So we'll need the fueler, the assembler, pipe extruder, as well as the regular extruder. There's down there. Okay. Alright. So let's see, at least I believe I have regular extruders. Regular extruders, good. Drop off this garbage for now. Put it in here. I'll take care of it later. We have any more pipe extruders? Boiler. Damper. Pipe extruder. I'm not seeing any. Not seeing any. Nope. Okay. So let's go check out pipe extruder. Bare base machine for automatically converting metal bars into pipes. Yep, there we go. One of those. Hot bar. So the regular extruder goes on the gold. Gold is which one? Here, the copper. Gold. Okay, so regular extruder goes there. Pipe extruder goes there. We're gonna put that into. Oh, wow, I'm almost out of logistics hoppers. So before I run out, let's go make some logistics hoppers. Should be an easy task. Oh, sort of. Is there a self-craft for logistics hoppers? Yeah, mini hoppers. I suppose I don't need that many mini hoppers. Huh.
Crafting.
Or doing. Okay, good. Get that threat down. So I'm doing logistics hoppers this time. Keeping it small. Small footprint. Don't want too much backstock on this. And then we won't have to worry. All right. Okay. So, then we need the machines to build the missile. So, is that under this area? Probably. Feel that it's going to be weapon area. Missile fueler, empty missile assembler. Grab one. You know, I'll grab a couple of these while I'm here because I gotta imagine I'm going to need more to increase the other production. I grab. Oh no, I already have the. Yeah, see, I think. I might need a lot of. I really want my production to be up. I wonder how many of those I need. Work faster and cheaper. Oh.
Crafting.
A couple more of those, I guess, while I'm here. Go to 5 of those, so we'll get a total of 6. That's a lot of power. I can make it, but that's gonna just bring my thread up like better way. All right. Well, back to what we're doing. So first of all, the temporary setup. So, for the empty missile assembler, we're gonna put that there. Wait, where are we? Do this. Gonna need power. What? I suppose. Yeah, you know what? Let's try that. This might go up higher or something like that. But why don't we... For now, we want to put this guy here. That just makes it super perfect, right? Gets what he needs, and then let's put a power block on top of him. Give him that, and then so that we need to get power to that block. Probably pull it off the building. Okay. So, that we will put here. So we'll have the empty missiles there. Those definitely have to be on it. You guys can be on. And so that means I don't need that. But that here, where you're going to be on remove only, because you're an atom. That. Okay. The fueler. That there. That in there. For the removal. This. Only. And we'll bring that. That. That gonna work? I think that'll work. Gotta get power to those two areas, and then start bringing the resources up. Should work. I think. All right. So how am I gonna get power? See, how much power do you need? 8. That's not much. Power do you need? Nobody really knows. Assembler. You use 8 power per second also. So, a lot of power coming this way. Let's use our tier 2s so we make sure that we have plenty. Should work. That more in the middle. So keep up. Okay. So do like that to take care of that guy. Then that. Okay. Right. Down. And I set all this up earlier, so all I should have to do is not gonna like with ingots in. Wait for that to cycle 1. this can start going now. Come on. Any day now, which is why I'm having an issue with you. Okay, so that should start feeding stuff up to our new little temporary system. Yep, so that's there. What are we doing here? Maybe? Oh, that's right, I locked you guys. So, we're back on it. Only, there you are. Feed on up. Go. Yep, that way we don't end up with too much excess when we decide to tear this down. I believe I just saw you. There we go. Missiles! Yay! Run, guys, run! Okay, that's our threat. Looking kind of bad, but, well, pretty low. That's gonna be all up the spider bot here. Alright, I think we should be fine. Back to charge yet. It's almost over halfway down, though. Okay. Alright, but in the meantime, let's see. I am not waiting for all of this to funnel through. You unlock so you don't grab any more. Let that finish for sure. That's just a lot of energy to waste. You guys. My inventory. Let all of that empty out. That down now. That down. Guess we still want to try and pop it back out that hole. Just to line things out, or maybe want to move it over. Don't want to go. I like try to pop it into there. Look better. Here, look, I found a use for them. There. Okay, so that's where we want this guy to come out. I like that better. Look way better. Something so small, so stupid. Okay. Alright, so guys here. Work some of this down, which is a good thing. You are empty. That's good. More missile? Is that where this guy offloaded to? Okay, good. Well, we'll take two. There. Well. Done. This is hideous, and I would like to do it differently this time. That way. I looped it all around all crazy like. Alright. Alright. So that we'll just keep that like that. I believe what the middle one is the CF. This one is the gold and this one is the copper. For the research. Okay. Those. Buddy. This. Put one of these guys down here. Put this 100 in there. That'll help feed the system. Yeah. Works. Okay. More. 100 left in my inventory, that's a good thing. Grab some more, back over 100, whatever. Gotta be a faster way. Double up on those. So we'll have 2 pipe extrusions, 2 wire extrusions. Try and do 2 in my inventory. Okay. 2. Pretty sure. Losing my
Crafting. Crafting.
extra. So then I will have 4 of those. End up having 5 of those. Okay. Alright, come on. really shouldn't here. Now, where to do full extrusion? Backlog. Start with logistics. A bit lighter. Oh, that way, but pipe. The pipe extrusion.
Crafting.
Problem solved. All right. So then, uh, oh, actually, did figure out instead of merging them back together. This one I know. Oh, okay. So what I want four. How can I make those two hoppers? Hmm. Oh, hello. How are you? Welcome to the stream. We're just sitting here trying to improve our missile defense systems on trying to figure out how I'm going to fit all this in. Hmm. So, did that and that. That's definitely double what we've got going on here. Did keep up. Have some more missiles. Okay. There we go. Good. Got rid of them all. Except this 44 more. That was brilliant. Good job, Hellspawn. So, almost down. Even 25. Great. Alright. So the only way works like this, right? So then if I wanted to stack it, I could actually make that work. Fourth one is over there. How can I feed? Oh, that's rather simple, actually, right? remember where that spot is. So I simply go like that. Have to be regular hoppers at this point. Oh, so then I can put 2 there, but I still can't put 2 there because you have to be fed from this side. So, okay. So why don't I first place this little structure? Figure out how to. Which is, you know what, normally how I like to do this damn thing. I usually do like to work backwards. Of course, for some reason, I do it the other way this time. Messing me all up. So, putting down the regular hopper. Don't want to be that close. That. Keep it like that. And here side was the copper. So that's the pipes. Top here like this. Well, so then what we need here then, regular gold. Take this, guys, with conveyors. Not quite as clean as it looked before. Oh, and I still have power problem, don't I? Huh? How the heck am I gonna get power into that? Bottom one. Top one I can bring power in from the top if I want to. Power in from the bottom I could put an induction plate. Put that over on the induction plates. That's all done doing its thing. Oh, it looks like it's done doing as much as it's going to do. Just grab these again. We'll bring these outside. Grab these again too. Nothing that I'm going to be able to do about that. So I've got a little bit of gold wire in my inventory. Okay. And let's put some of these on. Great. Putting that many of those in here. You really don't want to move a little faster for me? Maybe? See, that's why I need 2 of them. That's okay. We got some missiles we can throw in here to help back up. Oh. But how have I been doing? Oh, okay. Seems like we're doing okay. We're down in the 3000s. That means we must not be smelting a lot. Having a problem. Not seeing a huge line of carts here, where I usually have my problem. That's a good thing. Okay, so it's not here. Nothing in the back of the building. Not sure why there's a hole there, but okay. Oh, back of the building looks good. Should check the other building, but let's go see down here first. Carts moving, flying around and stuff. Okay, so yeah. Finally just catching up, which is good. This is what it needs to keep the threat down. At least until we can get our defense high enough that I don't have to worry about keeping the threat down. We're trying to do today, right? Right. So, up our little new elevator here. Whee! Do wish it went a little faster. Yeah, we want to go back into here. Okay. So, do I want to move this? Power in from underneath and on top. Fence. Will allow me to bring. Really don't need them out that far either. Alright. Okay. So we can't put them there because these conveyors are going to steal it. So just as a little bit of a barrier, let's put the trusses down. Put that not imaginary wall there. Okay. So this is basically as far over as I want to bring this damn thing. Got it. So then in here, we start with hopper, 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 hopper. Put the little assemblers. So those guys are getting powered from the bottom. These two can get powered from the top. Need 8 power, so that guy will do just fine. To bring up some power. That should be able to handle that. I think I'll get enough power distribution between that, I think. I hope so, I don't really know. We'll find out. So then, okay, once again here, let's try this again. So we want to bring the copper, so you are the pipes. Those on top of each other just because I like the way it looks. That point it in the right direction. Goes into there. Yes, yeah, no. I will leave the 1, but I will not leave the 2. Gonna move this. Pull this in 1. So just a copper there either. Okay. So that. Alright, put that back. Conveyor out of the top there. Okay, so that'll take care of that guy. Now, I am not going to need this here. It's gonna cause a problem. That problem when we get there, I think. So we'll do that. See, now that's a whole nother problem. Need to output. Bar removal. Bar removal. Bar removal. You are removal. So I need to attach add only. These guys are easy. Add only. Add only. If I do that, then the heck do I get the damn things into think we're going to abandon the double for now. And well, the quadruple, I guess I should say, for now. I'm going to keep this doubled up. Dead. Ooh. Is that not the same thing? Why are the graphics different? Completely sure there. Because what happens when you do that? No? Odd. Why does that one have a missile in it? Okay, sorry. Back to what I was doing. So, what we want to do instead... Oh, okay, I suppose we could do it like this. Put that there. Put there and there. Back on room. Only. Logistics hopper into that guy. Extruder. Barrel. There, which I could bring this guy closer. But I'm not going to. Then we have the question, let's bring it that way. That pointed the right way. Directionals. So they can only output into that guy. And since they're really only serving one, that's going to work now. Remove only. Okay. Good. Then there, put those on add only. Zip the material. Yeah, I suppose. Into a single hopper. Never end up using the zipper merges. Suppose it's not the worst idea though. Let me go grab some. Check out Brett while I'm here. I know I got some in here somewhere, right? That's priority splitters, 3-in-1s, zipper merges. Really, I only have one. Okay, that was a bit of a wasted trip then. The rapids need power. Up to the rapid zipper merge. Do I have rapids? I do. No. Probably I'm not even going to be able to feed it fast enough to worry about the rapids, so I'm just going to stick with the basics. If it looks like it's slowing down, I'll upgrade to the rapids. So let's try that. So that would... don't need that at all. Okay. Do they output well into conveyors facing the wrong direction? Still directional? Okay. So look like it's gonna work okay. You won't pull out of there, you'll only feed into there. Yeah, that should be alright. Okay. So then we get the assembled missiles into here. They're in an add only, so we're gonna need to hop them over to put these logistics hoppers. That. Then we need assemblers, the fuelers. So, okay, so this might be another good place for the zipper merge. Got it. We here into probably logistics. Then pretty decent place to that. 8 power per second. We're back to the top of that guy. Simple one. That's going to be plenty. It is 10, yeah, 10 power per second. So yeah, that's going to be plenty. Similar setup here, mostly for looks and so I don't have to worry about the feedback loop. Spot right there. Go. Alright, so you're powered. You would get your materials here. I need to feed in the HECF. Yep. So we actually need to get the middle conveyor from there over to there. Of course I do. Redirect out here. Okay, so you're just coming in. So yeah, I could really bring that where I wanted it. Or did I want one more over? Get one more over. No, that's right where I wanted to just have a bunch of stuff in my way. So we're gonna bring it in one more over. So and we'll actually get rid of you. Before I forget, I'm gonna go outside and get rid of that as well. Deal. Oh, I actually wanted you. Of course I do. Alright, let's go up then. Get rid of this. Can I please? I don't want it. Come on. Take it. Oh, I got rid of it. Good. Hey. Okay. So how am I going to prevent it from getting pulled out over there? This, I guess. Cable. Yeah. That'll work. should. Feeding into the zipper merge. The zipper merge is feeding back into that. Side of the zipper merge, so we'll end up getting the canister out of there. Be here. Where are you going? Oh. Oh, yeah, that's an interesting feedback loop there. Not at all what I wanted to happen. Okay, so that doesn't work. One gets stuck in there? That's how I have it. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Let's see what you got. Looking at it on my other monitor here. So I'm looking at 6 assemblers. Oh, and then going down. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I see. 3 assemblers per. Oh, okay. So the logistics hopper, one logistics hopper is feeding 3 assemblers. Oh, that's an interesting idea. So then, that's true. Can the extruders keep up with all of that, or do you have multiple extruders feeding into that? That's the only other question. I mean, I guess I could feed 2 hoppers on top, get separate zip, both material. Yeah. Right. I don't think I need to do 6 assemblers, but doing the 2 or even 3 off the 1 is not the bad idea. Not a bad idea. So what I could do, get all back down here. Right. So what if the zipper merge here, outputting there, but no, not that way. Down. Okay. And then we'll output into the logistics. Right? And you're on removal. Okay, so then from there, put the 3 assemblers. That. Okay. And so then you were outputting into those 2, right? That's not bad. Okay, and then I can just merge those into a single feed to the next stage. Oh, I suppose what I could do, clean it up a little bit, tighten it up a little bit. No, not there, there. That should work. Okay, so then I wonder, do they that? Maybe we want to do the similar thing I imagine with the fuelers. Do 3 and just merge in the ugly way. I'm gonna try to do it with a downslope. Oh, no, can't put it there. It's gonna pull out of the logistics. Put it there, like that. You are coming up like that, and there's no hoppers that it's running by. Creating any infinite feedback loops here. Let's try it. Up, coming over here. We end up getting one inside of there, and then it's waiting for the HEC. Not bad, not bad. We'll go with that for now. So that's kind of a two-stage approach on forward. Okay. So then from there we put in that. Okay, so now we ended up switching direction here. That's okay, we can do that. And then viewers. So now these just need nothing but the missile and the power, right? Charges up basic missiles with lots of energy, causing a much stronger blast, increased damage threefold. This requires a hopper holding at least one basic missile to start the imbuing process. Right, so just a ton of power. And, oh, you have many extruders. Okay. Oh, yeah, if I have to up the extruders, I'll up the extruders. See? So, we need a ton of power and these missiles. Only go on move only. You're gonna come into here. See? So that's not enough, as far as I can tell from. I want them. Maybe. Huh. What? Oh, I don't have room. I need more room. That. Put 3. 3? I can't believe. Add only. You're gonna be an add only. I mean add only. Like 3,000 power I need here. That's insane. Yeah, I know. Crazy power need. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be able to do this, but we will see. That. Okay. Put you into there. There. Oh wait. Oh yeah, no. All I gotta do is split it up, right? So what if I do that? And up with this. There temporarily. Got there like that. Rid of that guy. So guy. That look a little better. Mask. Look better. Okay. And it doesn't even look that much better. So we go that way, and then add into there. There, like that. Holy web. Yeah, I know. That's okay. I've got plenty of turbines. Wait, no, that's not 24 turbines. My turbines are making 540 power each. I'm on plentiful. So, yeah, my turbines are making 540 each, so that's just about 6 turbines, I think. Yeah, I've already got, like, what, 10 set up, I think? So it should be alright. I just gotta get batteries hooked up to them and get their power pushed out. But that actually should be a setup once I get the power into it, right? Bring that into... Okay, so then the next stage, and I really don't have room for it here. Box. Forward, and you know what the next stage is going to be on the roof. That's the answer. That's the answer. This is what it's going to be until I move up to the armor piercing one, or I don't know what the next one I'm going to go to. I don't know if the next one, do you do armor piercing and then cluster, or is it cluster or armor piercing? I know at one stage you pick one or the other. I don't know what stage it's at, but so yeah, let's clean up this stupid mess here. Add anymore. Add anymore. Let's put a hopper here. Backlog for this. Out. And a down slope. There you go. Okay, so the mystery question is, does this work? Looks like it should. Suppose we gotta get the power set up first. How are you doing? Oh, so see, we're backed up with missiles again. That's good. Not using them and making just the basic missiles, even in a temporary setup, helped. Back on track. Good thing. Good deal. I have a place to drop off. No, see, I didn't. Just regular logistic hoppers. Do I want to stick to it with hoppers? I'm gonna upgrade that to regular hoppers so I have a good back stock. Think and upgrade. Good there. Guy here. Put good backstock of that. Goes away. Put regular hoppers. That'll get plenty of backstock there. I can store these guys, put these guys away here. Oh, and copper, gold wire. On this side? Oh, I guess. There. That. Okay. Hook this guy up? No. Power. Power. We need power. So, how many? Okay, we've only got 10 power blocks left. I think. Fully backstock there. Did we ever get fully backstock? No, not even fully backstock on tier 3 laser provider. Power lasers yet, huh? Great. That's got to be a lot of why my threat is still as high as it is. Okay, so obviously we can make a bunch more tier 4s. Okay. Oh, anymore. So organic recombined, recombined organic matter. So I can actually craft pristine stingers when I run out of the ones that I'm getting from bugs. If I run out with them, I don't even know if I will. I'm not sure how that works, as I've never really made it this far in the game before. Not sure if my production is going to be as much as use or not. I guess we'll see. I'll slow it down. Thing about really copper and gold. Good. So power wise, need to get 3. Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. I have one more battery. 5. You. Upper on. Down slope. Back. Over. Down with me. Up. Oh, it's the light. That's what's going on. Turntable. Good. Put that down so I don't trip. Alright, so that should be 3,000. When these guys are at max, I believe I'm getting about 540 out of them. Structure complete. Well, thank you so much. Oh, hello again. Hello, number 2 viewer. How are you tonight? Hope everything's doing well. Welcome to the stream. Kind of catching me near the tail end here. I don't know how much longer we have going. Maybe another 20 minutes or so. So, yep, that's 3. That should be enough. Get you, let's see. Once that gets up to full speed, pretty sure we're at 500 at least. Do I need the other set of turbines? Why are you slowing down? Oh, actually. Doesn't make any sense. Why are you slowing down? You're not slowing down. That is at 455. Okay, though, so that's not as high as I thought it was. Okay, but that still doesn't explain why the heck aren't you going? What is going on here? 640, 640. You can easily, each one of you could easily empty to these guys. You have power. You like that now? No? Okay, wait. You say you're transferring about 620. You say you're Oh, I created this stupid feedback. What am I doing? I should know better than that. And I got myself stuck. I'm gonna die. Nope, jetpack to the rescue. So that means all of those have that problem. Huh. I didn't realize that. Okay. That's okay. We live and we learn, right? That. Press back. Over the top. Get back on. That's why I glued it down. So. No. Put our cross. Alright. Guess bad idea to temporarily put stairs up to each of these guys. So. Okay, run like crazy, guys. Good. So 455. So, really I do need power from one more, but you know what? I am not going to do it. I think the coal that I'm using there should probably suffice. Filling in the coal power with everything else and then jamming all of this power up to there. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Go with. Now figure out how I'm going to do that. So Put the energy grommet there. Battery there. Whole bunch of power into it. Really need to get 2 feeds. If I do one laser fully boosted, well, it's not fully boosted. I suppose, oh, this might be a good use. How much does the tier 3 laser shoot with the, what's the third lens? Third organic lens. I don't know if I've ever made a third organic lens. Have I? No, and I've got the second one. Got 13 massive eyes there. A ton more over in my other. Two. Exceptional. So I'm gonna do
Crafting.
5 of those. You drop these back off here. So tier 3, when you get oh, that's my answer. Absolutely, that's my answer. Okay. So now I can just take 1 power feed off of each battery with the organic lenses. I believe I can just put well. There. It's all there. That's good. That's the one that I want. Battery. This. Oh. 120, I should say. All right. And we just got to get power into that guy now, which of course I don't have enough freaking things for. Huh. Do I make that? Yeah, wow. I can't do this. Yeah, but I'm really gonna do this. I'm gonna destroy all that power. I believe at least it gets lost, right? If I destroy this multi-block, it's gonna go away. But I'm gonna put the multi-block back down in the floor so I can just pull the laser off the bottom. And then when I put the tier 4 back on top, it will just be adjacent with the ceiling, and I can put the energy grommets. Oh, that's an interesting question. Do the energy grommets work correctly with the tier 4 battery? Guess we'll find that out, and then maybe I will regret doing what I'm about to do. But we'll try that before I go do the rest of them. Try that before we go do the rest. So I'm only going to set up this one. Now. Structure complete. Okay, and then we right off of it with our last lonely free guy here. Tier 3 laser. Go. Boom. we go. So, oh, that still actually isn't enough. I'm gonna have to go grab some tier 3 lasers from our crafting area. Need one for the inside. At least one? No, probably two. Two? Gee, I wonder. Maybe I might be able to do it with one. Grab. Oh, 92 of them. Getting there. 10 of them though, and I just set that back a couple. Go up. Go up. Level. Okay, so if I put a battery, shoot this guy into the battery. Think that'll work. Think that'll work. Then I just bring the other 3 over as well. And yeah, that should do it. So, let's try a little test run here. Lock this guy. He doesn't get used. Only that guy in there. They'll still get filled up, but he won't get used. So we'll really only be running 3. And with all the other power gen I have on these all connected induction plates, I think I might be able to keep this running, at least for a test run. But yeah, let's go down. Go into here. And we will switch this back. Okay. So turn that, start pushing that in. Should have plenty of that. That shouldn't be a problem. Start pushing that into there. Gold back in there. They belong. Burn. Copper. All right. So that will all work itself out. That got a lot less backlog going on in this system, so that shouldn't take long to get out. Although, just go try and get stuff. That's never going to run through. Where can I put that? Oh, good. It's going. CF that's coming up does indeed seem to be working. So we are not sending enough power to this damn plate. Trying to do here. But they will work. They're just going to go slower. They're at about, what, half power right now? I don't know. One of them seems to be nearly full power, and the other one's at about half power. See the third one? Okay. Well, I guess it's just a matter of getting the rest of the power to it. on. Good. Okay, those are starting to be made. Going into there. Excellent. Okay, so now the assemblers are starting to make their missiles. Missile parts, I should say. The fueler is fueling. Excellent. Feeding through, and then to the imbuers. Now these guys are ready to go. These three are actually imbuing. Probably not any faster than what my system was before. Maybe, because I do have two going now. I didn't have two going. So I am probably twice as fast. And then when I bring over more power, I can really up that game some. Okay, so are you done? Wait till that's gone. You don't have anything. You don't take this stuff down. That anymore. Good. And of course the gold is run out. Gold is going to be a problem. I'm going to have to increase gold production. Not sure what I'm going to do there, but definitely going to have to increase gold production. Starting to get a backlog of that, but that's only because we have a huge backlog of missiles, regular missiles, and I don't have my threat up high enough. Oh, it's getting up there, though. Okay. Oh, that's the other thing. I did forget to mention at the beginning of the video, I did lose one more time while I was working. I was off down below and doing something with the freight carts and didn't even realize, and next thing I know, my PPH is on fire and I'm screaming at my computer. So, yep, we've lost 6 times now. Yeah. Alright, well, done, you're done, you're done. You're done, you're done. Done. What? Oh. Did something happen wrong here? I think something got put in the wrong spot somewhere on the road. Okay. You don't have any HECF left, do you? No, you don't. So it's not like you can turn these into anything. You. Yeah, you're all done. You're all done. Let those guys sit there. Put this stuff down. That we don't need. These are shooting around randomly. And... Alright. So... do it for that. That backlog that we're going to have to work through. And start raising the threat again. Maybe do some research. Well, that's going to generate me plenty of threat that's going to get some missiles, actually. Not locked up there, right? They can fire. Wonder if some of them were stuck. Oh yeah, see, these two won't fire because they need like a boss to fire too because their hit is too heavy. But this one should fire just fine, right? Yeah, that one, 450,000. It's gonna wait until it's worth it for it. But yeah, that one should fire away. And that's some decent sized heavies. Those guys are stuck. That's interesting. Yeah, I really need to get some bosses moving towards this base. But that 6,000 threat, I think that will get some bosses over here. Yep. So we see. Yeah, we got one boss already. So good. Might be time to starve Spiderbot again. Keep him over here on his home after he runs out of power. And let's see how the missiles hold up. No, maybe it's better to just keep him out there. Coal has started clearing. Which coal? New one? Really? This one here? Yes, this one here. Okay. Well, that's kind of okay. I actually just found a pretty decent coal vein earlier, and I can't really get out of here now, and that's really upsetting. Okay, so I actually just found a rather decent coal vein earlier. It's on the wrong side of my base, to be quite honest. I wish it was on the other side. I might go looking for another one just because it is. But we did find this guy, who is, I think it's somewhere around 9 million? 9 million. And with the reduced usage of coal from this point in the game, that might be the last coal vein I need. Unless, of course, I need construction paste at some point. Okay, so we got the missiles going. We got to bring the power over, but in order to do that, I'm going to need some more tier 4 batteries. And some more tier 3. Well, I got enough tier 3 lasers. I'll need some more of the exceptional organic lenses. And we're going to need to push this guy. Oh, see? He's running out. Oh, yeah, see, I'm actually draining him faster than I can fill him. Okay, so that's going to be a problem. Alright, that's alright. But I do think that's where we're going to wrap it up here for the night. Like I said, I've got a little bit more work. I'm going to move these two down back into the floor just like this guy. Get some more exceptional organic lenses. Probably need a few more laser energy transmitters. Shoot these guys laser power out the back. Grab this guy while I'm here, because that must be where I'm leaving some of these guys. So we'll shoot his power down out the middle tier here. That's going to end up, I'm going to have to deal with some creative jumping around of the conveyor belt here. Figure that out. I have to shoot that into here and get these guys powered up. Get them their 3,000 power, or close to 3,000 power. Hi, am I using solar power? Only very little. I have not gone to the tier 2 organics. See, I think that might be in that one, right? That lock behind that. Yeah, see, so I'm not on the Mark IIs yet, but I do have the organics. I have a little bit, mostly using it for the beacon power. Once I get to the tier 2 solars, then I'm probably going to end up using it in some areas, but like it's not going to work for some of the stuff that it's meant for, because not in this base at least. So, like, my lifts are down below, so that's not going to work. They're not coming up top. I'll be able to put it on the tier 4 batteries. But I don't know. That's not constant power gen. So, and I want constant power gen. I'm going to bring up tons and tons of biomass from down below, which is an interesting point. I haven't checked on my biomass in a little while. I'll check on that soon. So, yeah, but that's the plan. If it has clear sky, yeah, that's the problem, is giving it clear sky. In this base, I'm using the flooring heavily. I have 3 or 4 active floors. So you got the top area, you got the middle area, which is more about like transport, and then you've got another like factory floor kind of area, and then you've got the basement for more transport again. So picking up with the carts. So having sky clearance with all of these floors active is difficult in certain areas. Works on the top, but doesn't work well on the bottom. So I'm going with mostly turbine power in this one until I get something better, which I guess is what geothermals when you're down in the cold caverns. I've never even made it to that before, so we'll see. And there goes all my missiles of firing. At a nice site. Yep. All right. Well, I hope you all have a good evening. I'm going to take off for the night. Thank you all for joining. Hope you had a good time. Stop by again next week. I stream every Thursday at 9. As I've said before, looking to add another night, but it's going to be a little bit, probably another month or so before I can add another night. And maybe we'll do a different game on the other night or more of the same game. I'm not really sure. But I do thank you for stopping by and hope you all have a good time and hope to see you next week. 9 in Eastern United States time zone. So, sorry about that. Always forget time zones. I'm horrible with time zones. So, but yep. Yeah. So please stop by if you can. I'd love to have you. And I think next week what we're going to do is start heading down, start heading to the molybdenum, start working towards. Actually, no, we're not going to be able to start working towards that, but I do have it exposed. So maybe next week what we'll work towards instead is getting all the research done while I'm gone, and so we can start working towards getting the OET built. Probably the best plan actually now from here. Get the OET built, and maybe take out an overmind next week if we have the chance. So I'll work on that, and hope to see you next week. All right. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.